Hello, and welcome to another vlog. So the last vlog was in Polish, which was something different that I wanted to try out. I'm still gonna continue doing most of the vlogs in English. Maybe I'll try to do one in French, but I know that there is many of you who don't speak Polish here, so I think that continuing doing this in English would be the best idea to make everyone happy and to also reach new audience here on YouTube. So as you can see, I woke up recently. No, I woke up some time ago, but I still haven't done my makeup or hair or anything because I spent this morning working, and this afternoon I have something exciting coming because I'm going to my first event in Stockholm. So I'm super excited, and this is also the reason I'm filming today, because I want to bring you guys along. So it's always tricky when you move to another country, another city, when you are, as me, like a micro influencer. No one knows you, the agency, the brands. So it's kind of tricky to get invitations to any kind of events or even PR packages. So I'm very excited that this agency reached out to me, and they actually reached out to me for a different brand collaboration, and then they also sent me this invite for today's event. It's an event of glasses and sunglasses brand who collaborated with a perfume brand from Sweden. So I'm excited to go. And what else is new? I also maybe update you a bit about what I said also in my Polish vlog. So I decided to go and look for a corporate job here in Stockholm, just to meet new people, have some new challenges, and see how it is also to work in Sweden. So I'll maybe have some updates coming about this. And what else is new? I bought my first bike last week. We actually bought two bikes, one for me and one for my boyfriend. We both have our birthdays in May, so it was perfect idea for a gift. So I can't wait to bike around Stockholm, this time on my own bike. And talking about birthdays, my boyfriend's birthday is on Sunday, and he still doesn't know because it's a surprise. I'm taking him on a weekend, on a birthday weekend away. So we are going to this Japanese spa close to Stockholm. It's actually in Stockholm, maybe in a bit in the suburbs, that my friend recommended to me, and it's like this beautiful spa with hot waters, and there are also some yoga classes. We also have a Japanese cuisine dinner there. So I really can't wait, because it looks like a paradise there. It's close to the nature, and yeah, I love spas. I think you've already noticed. And I think it's such a nice gift idea to have a relaxing weekend together, spend some time together. He just started a job here in Stockholm, so I want him to have some time also to relax, because it's always a bit stressful to start a new job. So yeah, can't wait for that. I think I will try not to use our phones that much in this place, but I will definitely film to show you how it looks like. I will also show you what I ordered from the brand my boyfriend's working for. It was so hard to make a decision because their collections are so beautiful, the quality is amazing. So I went for some basics and also some warm jackets, because even though summer is coming, I know I should have some warm jackets living here in Stockholm. You can see that my recent obsession color is blue. My cup is blue as well. But these sheets are from IKEA, and we have them in 3 shades. And they're so comfy and beautiful. I'm gonna make a small break to do my nails, because I have I had them done last week, but they are crying for help right now. And I have some meetings and the events. I thought it can be a good idea. And I'm gonna use this Carolina van Loon nail polish. And it's a brand I discovered in a pop-up in Paris, and I love their nail polishes. And I also use this typology oil for nails. Look at this beautiful weather today. I'm so happy for a sunny day, but still, I think it's quite cold outside. I always look at by the window and I'm like, oh, it seems warm, and then I'm super cold. But at least it's nice and sunny. Okay, it's time to do some lunch. And what I usually do if I eat alone at home is that I make tortillas. So I buy this and I put everything that I want to eat inside. So usually beans, avocado, some cheese if I have some, baby spinach. So I will show you, but it's like a mix of what I have in my fridge. It's very fast and quite healthy. So today's tortillas are gonna be with hummus, beans, avocado, tomatoes, spinach. This is like a vegetarian kebab, which is very nice. I also have some ogórki kiszone, if you know, you know. Some cheese and baby carrots. And this is the secret sauce, the sesame. Actually in Sweden, the amount of different kind of sauces in store is crazy, and I love it. So makeup's done. I even used the new eyeshadows, which I think looks quite nice, but I still need to discover how to use them. I'm not that good in eye makeup. And I'm gonna maybe film the items I ordered for Toteme, and then I'm gonna head to the event. I'm pretty tired today actually because yesterday I had my last theater class, and we had our performances, and then we went to a bar So I didn't drink anything, but still I came back home quite late. I will maybe insert the little video I did of the performance. It was actually a scene from Pulp Fiction. So difficult to. Here are some of the items that I ordered. So first thing is this white tank top that is quite a basic, but I really like how it fits. I also got this swimsuit, which I think is really cute, and I really can't wait to wear it this summer in Italy, because we are going to Italy in September actually. This is how it looks. Very, very classy. And that's a belt actually, which is black and silver. So this is the front and this is the back, so you can adjust it in the back. And as I said, I also ordered some jackets, but unfortunately when I was unpacking the box, I realized that one of the jackets was missing, and it was actually my favorite, so maybe I'll show you in the next vlog. And I also ordered this black blazer, which is double-breasted, and when I tried it on in the store, it really fits really well, and it's like a piece everyone should have in their wardrobe. This is how it looks with my very classy pajama pants. When I first saw it on a picture, I was like, oh, it's kind of basic, but I really think it's gonna be a great base for a lot of outfits. And I like how it's kind of oversized, but at the same time adjusted. Here's my outfit. I've put on a gray t-shirt from COS, the new belt, Bimba Lola jeans, and some ballerinas with woolen socks because it's still kind of cold.
Comment ça va, Madame Chikora?
J'avais soif. I just finished the event, and I went for a coffee to a cafe nearby, which is one of my favorites because it's also like a bakery, so they have such an amazing choice of pastries, but I always take the same one, which is a cardamom bun. And so about the event, it was very nice. I've met the founders of both brands that collaborated, so the perfume and the glasses, sunglasses actually. And I've tried them on. I didn't film it because it felt so awkward to film, but they were so nice. It was like this black cherry, black red color, which I wouldn't think would suit me, but it was very nice. And people from the agency were very nice as well, because it's always so stressful to go alone to an event that you don't know anyone. But it went very well, I think. There were some people who spoke French. One of the founders as well was French, so we could chat a bit in French. So yeah, it went very well, I think. And I hope I get invitations to more events soon. Right now I'm headed to H&M because I still didn't go for my sportswear. So the last time I wanted to do it was when there was this launch of the Master Boutique collection. But I completely forgot about this, so I'm gonna check it out right now. Petite balade digestive. Je te reconnecte avec la nature.
Ah là, je suis connecté avec les éléments.
Comment ça s'appelle?
Oh là là, quand tu-
Montgolfière.
Montgolfière, exactement.
Montgolfière.
Montgolfière.
Today I'm going to meet with a Polish girl who lives in Stockholm, and she actually has a fashion brand, so I'm gonna see her showroom and meet with her, and the brand looks very, very nice, so I can't wait to discover. And I'm actually taking my bike. It's the second ride I have on this bike, and actually today I received a phone holder from Amazon, so this way I will know where I'm going. And yeah, today it's very, very cold, so I'm wearing my boyfriend's puffer jacket. Où est-ce qu'on va, tu penses?
Dans un hôtel.
Où?
Peut-être sur une île ou à la campagne.
On verra. We had a very lovely time at the hotel. It was so close to the nature with incredible views. We actually started our stay with a yoga class with cupping, so we had marks on our bodies for the whole stay. We also took some walks close to the hotel to see the nature around. We had some nice Japanese food and we really enjoyed ourselves. The spa was also amazing. There were a lot of saunas, a lot of outside baths. And again, the views were just amazing. I even managed to read a bit in the water. But the highlight of this place was this rocking chair. It was so amazing to sit in it. It was like gentle rocking that would make you fall asleep in a second. And here's a real life example.
Et voilà, c'est fini. La parenthèse enchantée est terminée.
On rentre en bateau cette fois.
C'est sympa. Et on va où?
À Ikea. Déjeuner. Les poulettes.
Les poulettes sont incroyables.